Before changing your brakes on your GM trucks, make sure you check to see if they have electronic parking brakes. In this video I'll be showing you how you can tell if it has it or not. So if you're wondering if your Chevy or GMC truck has electronic parking brake that you'll have to turn off when doing the brakes, I'll show you how you can tell. One way you can tell, looking at the brake caliper itself, if you have a wire coming out of it, or you'll be able to see the electronic parking brake actuator on the back of the caliper, then you'll know you'll have it. This one doesn't have it on. But if you don't want to crawl underneath the truck to see if it has it or not, the best way to check is right on the dash here. Underneath you'll see the parking brake switch. If you don't see a switch and you have this pedal instead, then you'll know you don't have the electronic parking brake system. But if you do have the electronic parking brake system with the switch on the dash, and in order to put it in and out of brake maintenance mode, check out my next video and I'll show you how to do that. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more